I have been assigned to as a mentor. Now I will be there with you throughout this journey, right? So we will be connecting on a weekly basis. This is a call, orientation call to discuss broadly, and then we will be connecting on weekly basis on a phone call. So analysis, what you will be doing, it has already been done for you. With respect to prelims, also with respect to mains, also we have identified some themes where on those themes, so we need to make notes. We need to have notes. So that is done on the basis of PYQ analysis. So आपको अब सिर्फ पढ़ना है और everything is there. Like the value addition can be done on the 3 levels, right? First is of course the PYQ. Second is current affairs, which is the constant value addition. वो एक दिन का काम है, वो तो जैसे से हम न्यूज़ आएंगे वो करते रहेंगे. And third thing is the test series. तो हम टेस्ट सीरीज से वैल्यू एडिशन करते हैं कि ओके इस टॉपिक से ऐसे क्वेश्चन भी आ सकते हैं.
Yes, ma'am.
Nothing else matter, Kashvi, in this preparation apart from the consistency and sincerity.
Yes, ma'am, definitely.
I started my full-fledged preparation after I joined the Ultimate Assessment Program at Civils Daily.
There is a 12-month strategy which I have done on Civils Daily platform only.
I reached out to the Civils Daily team.
Civils Daily.
Current affairs में Civils Daily.
Civils Daily.
Civils Daily. With Civils Daily.
Civils Daily.
Civils Daily. Civils Daily.
To Civils Daily.
Civils Daily.
Civils Daily.
Civils Daily.
Civils Daily.
Civils Daily.
A mentorship program of Civils Daily, and that did help me a lot.
So Kashvi, as I told you on call also, like this will be an orientation call to help you understand the journey better, right?
Yes, ma'am.
This is a call to give you a broad idea about things, how we'd be approaching things. But before that, we would know about your journey till now, your understanding of the exam right now, or about you and your preparation level from the academic point of view, from the UPSC point of view. And then I'll come to the course. We will discuss in brief about the course that you have joined, what all things that you will be getting in this program, and how will you be able to access them, how will you be able to use them in your preparation in a very strategic manner, right? And then we'll come to our mutual strategy, what we will be following, what we will be doing in moving forward, right? So before that, before I delve into the details of course, as I mentioned before, it would be better if you just help me understand your preparation level right now. Although whatever you have written in your form, in the registration form, I have gone through it. I think you mentioned that you have taken some coaching. Also,
Yes, from Next IS.
Other institute, and then you have taken optional as a sociology, right?
Yes, ma'am.
So just briefly, like you mentioned that okay, you have seen that you have tried to analyze the PYQs also. Just give me an idea about what all things that, okay, whatever the resources that you mentioned there, how much in depth you have covered them, how much knowledge you have about them, like what all understanding of you having with respect to the UPSC, the prelims and mains, like what is the level in brief?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, first of all, I would like you to know that UPSC, I don't know, as far as I could recall, that to appear for this exam, it's very, very long back. As far as I could recall, it is maybe class 5 or class 6, waiting for the moment to start for UPSC preparation. Ma'am, in my family, in my entire family, no one is from this field. My father is a civil engineer, so he's not linked to the IS officers or UPSC, but somehow in our house we could hear the topic of IS officers because he used to go for the meetings, and his officials who are mainly from this UPSC background would come. So yes, ma'am. So this her dream may be coming from there from very since childhood. So yes, ma'am.
So you need to have passion. So I can see that okay, the fire, it is in you from the very beginning. Right?
Yes,
that
ma'am.
is what it is required, because it's not before, of course, I'm interrupting you because this is not an exam, it's not a sprint race, right? It's a
Yes,
marathon.
ma'am. Yes,
So
ma'am.
you need to have a very strong why
Mm.
in your mind. So if it is clear, you have been driving towards it and you have been dreaming towards it, then you will be in a better position than the other of the kids, because
Yes,
they
ma'am.
will be finding out the why in the journey itself. You are already clear about the why.
Yes, ma'am.
So that will be
Ma'am, another thing also I'd like to tell you that no one forced me or no one told me to prepare for this journey. It's from me, from within myself, because 5 or 6 is not a very matured age, as I know. So from that, the dream means to appear for this exam, it came, and it grew stronger in my 11th and 12th. I know I became very strong that yes, this is what I'm going to do. From now, as I've mentioned in the form, that currently I'm in the second year of chemical engineering, ma'am, but very truly speaking, when I am in my second year, I'm sure that I will not be able to do that job because
Mhm.
the interest levels or my field of interest and my personality will definitely not suit that field. So
Mhm.
so from that, ma'am, from my first year also, I started the preparation. I have gone through the newspapers and the UPSC syllabus, PYQ analysis also have done. But what I think that what I lack is the proper strategy to execute all that things. So that is important because it will not matter. And if I go on reading and there is no revision strategy or
Mhm.
anything in a disciplined manner, so that main purpose for your guidance, ma'am, is for that. So I
Mhm.
need someone who will keep a check on me that yes, I'm on my right path or right track.
Definitely. See,
Yes,
at
ma'am.
this era of the preparation where the resources are in abundance around you, right?
Yes, ma'am.
So you need someone to guide you through it. You need someone to tell you what not to read, what to read, and how to read it. So
Definitely,
in an
ma'am.
integrated way. Okay,
Mm.
we know what to read, of course. We know all the things, but then we don't know the right strategy to read it.
Yes,
And
ma'am.
which should be in sync with the UPSC
Yeah.
preparation
Yes, ma'am.
exam, the demand of the exam, which is there.
Mm.
That is there, of course. Uh, Never mind. Don't. There is no second doubt about it. That okay, you have joined the right thing at the right time,
Mm.
especially. That okay,
Yes, ma'am.
because if you're already that much passionate about things, then okay, it is okay. Why to waste such a big
Mm.
time, right? So that
Yes,
you
ma'am.
will be able to cover things in a very systematic way. Even
Mm.
in a second year, you are. So you will be appearing in 2027, I think, right?
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
Yeah. So 2027. So you have even if you want to give, yeah, we can manage balance both the things very nicely in a
Yes,
very
ma'am.
systematic way.
Mm.
So you will not even feel burdened. You will
Mm.
not feel pressured. That though otherwise also is not the case with you because not nobody is forcing you in that
Yes,
scenario.
ma'am. Yes. No one.
You are
Mm.
already free from that
Mm.
case. Okay, that
Yes,
no
ma'am.
someone will be pushing you. You will be feeling burdened. You will be feeling overwhelmed
No.
because that is your choice. That is
Yes,
the
ma'am.
only thing that you have seen. Now, so
Mm.
that is already sorted.
Mm.
So what we have to do is that we need to take, even if since you are in college also, so we
Mm.
need to balance the things because of course there will be exams, assignments, and then the semester exams and all that, so that we can balance things. And
Mm.
then in a very slow and gradual manner, we will be able to cover things very comprehensively and in a revised manner also.
Mm.
So because we will definitely ensure the revision in the
Yes, ma'am.
whatever
Yes. Huh.
that is going to be there,
Mm.
Kashvi, because we will be discussing about the strategy also
Yes,
we
ma'am.
will be following. But अब मुझे बहुत briefly एक बार just let me know कि what all
Mm.
things you have done till
Mm.
now, and how much analysis you have done from the with respect to the course. Let's take the core subjects only. Like for
Okay.
example, polity, economy, geography, history.
Mm.
What
Mm.
all you have covered? Have you read,
Mm.
gone through the standard books which are there, the
Mm.
NCRTs and the PYQs? How you have sync, how you have integrated the PYQs with this, how you have tried to analyze it. Just a
Mm.
basic.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, for coming for the standard subjects, like you said, the all the polity, economics, and geography and all. Ma'am, first of all, I have gone through the PYQs in a very brief manner, not in a very in a researched mode. I have not
Mhm.
gone through that. The PYQ analysis I have done on my part. Then I have gone through the syllabus of UPSC, what all it's mentioned, and I also
Mhm.
tried to link that which questions and all in which year, what is the pattern coming.
Mhm.
Yes, from that part I have done, and I'm regularly going through the newspaper, means the
Mhm.
editorial part, so I could have a base that
Mhm.
I could know that which part and how all means which domain I need to more focus on
Mhm.
regarding the current affairs. And coming for the books, ma'am, I have gone through the means NCRTs a bit, but not in a very detailed manner. As I have
Mhm.
mentioned in the form that I have gone through a formal coaching. So
Mhm.
whatever classes, ma'am, there have been done, I have attended those. So
Mhm.
I have the notes part. If I come to the notes part, I have those. So
Mhm.
if any exams or all what, I need to just skim through the notes and revise a bit from there.
And along with the notes and along with the classes, have you gone to the standard books also that are there?
No, no, ma'am, not gone through the standard books, but the coaching material, what it is there means suppose I could say in polity, the first chapter, the
Yeah, yeah.
constitution. When you
Mhm.
can means from that part I have read something and something I've gone through the notes which has been given by the coaching institute. So like that, and the notes which I have prepared, I've gone through those.
Mhm. All
Yes.
right. And the notes that you have prepared are from a prelims point of view, like that, do you think that you will be able to get to the mains Like, of course, we will be doing the value addition,
Yes,
but
ma'am. Yes.
then it is majorly in a very like the procedural way. That is it, like the prelims perspective, majorly
Ma'am,
basics.
yes, ma'am.
Basics
What
must be
I
covered there.
could, ma'am, what I means, I think that more value addition can be done and more systematic manner. I can do it much more better way. Means now
See,
it's
value addition is a continuous process, Kashvi.
yeah,
That
ma'am.
too we will keep on doing, right?
Huh.
Right? And we will be coming to that also. So,
Yes, ma'am.
okay, got it. I've got an idea about things.
Huh.
Even if you have done already things, you have gone. See, the best part is that you have already been aware. You have already aware of things. It's not
Yes,
nothing
ma'am.
new. So what we need to do
Yeah.
is, as you mentioned, we need to focus on the value addition, we need to focus on the consolidation part, and we need to focus on the revision part.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, if you say that I could start writing the notes from now on, means whatever means taught in a
So we will be
class.
doing it. Kashi,
Huh.
we will be doing it. We will be doing it in a gradual manner.
Huh.
So it's not that from the very day one I'll start asking you to make notes. No, it's not.
Yeah.
Because I want you to have a journey with me also. Like we will start from the very beginning in a very structured manner. Even if
Yes,
you
ma'am.
have it, you have done it,
Huh.
it will be like a revision for you.
Yes,
Right?
ma'am.
But
That is
at
not an
least,
issue.
but then because we have time, we have 2 years, right? So
Yes,
I
ma'am.
would definitely want that, okay, whatever we have read, it should be a productive thing, right? It should be of any help to you in a very
Yes, ma'am.
structured way.
Hmm.
So even if you have not read NCRT or you have read NCRT, but then we will be reading NCRTs again and getting
Yes,
the
ma'am.
important potential things that we need, the required things that we need, and then we will be giving test also of that, and then we will be moving forward. Because NCRTs are like, see, NCRTs, there are some NCRTs which acts like a standard books, right?
Yes, ma'am.
You know that.
Geography.
But there are, yes, geography and history are those
Yes,
subjects.
ma'am.
There are some NCRT which acts like an introduction point to you, right? Which acts like a preamble, we
Yeah.
can say. Like it makes you feel comfortable with the standard book. Like
Yes,
when
ma'am.
you start standard books, no, it makes you feel comfortable and confident of the things that, okay, you are not new to this subject,
Yes, ma'am.
conceptual clarity. So that we will be doing, right? For that, you will be getting annotated NCRTs also here. So
Okay,
you don't
ma'am.
need to worry about annotated NCRTs are things like that, the portion which is important and which has been asked by the UPSC, and the basics which are there, they have already been highlighted.
Yes, ma'am.
Even the PYQs are mentioned there. But okay, this part of the chapter, this PYQ have been asked. So just to make sure integration of the things that we are reading, and okay, how the things are being asked in the UPSC.
Yes, ma'am.
So a constant integration is required, a constant check is required. Okay, what we are reading and how the questions have been asked, or how the questions can be asked.
Yes, ma'am.
So that will be the main purpose, and that will be the main focus of our approach.
Yes,
You
ma'am.
need to understand, like we need to in our preparation also, that will be the only big focus. Okay, what we are reading, why it is important, and how it is important, and how in future it can help us in me.
Yeah. Yes, ma'am.
So that we will be focusing on. So we'll discuss things later about the thing, but now let me just briefly tell you about the course that you have joined, Kashi, so that you are aware of things that you are getting in this program. So you have joined this UAP program, Ultimate Assessment Program, right? And it's a very
Yes.
comprehensive program, covers prelims and mains preparation in detail. So there are basic pillars of this program. First is, of course, the mentorship, that I have been assigned to as a mentor. Now I will be there with you throughout this journey, right? So we will be connecting on a weekly basis. This is a orientation call to discuss broadly, and then we will be connecting on weekly basis on a phone call, or if you have some major doubts and anything you want to discuss on Zoom call or video call, then we can connect on that also on demand basis, right? But then it will be a normal phone call where we'll be discussing the targets that we have achieved, that we have covered, and then what we will be doing in the coming week. So the whole things will go on the basis of weekly targets.
Yes,
right?
ma'am.
But in between, if you have any doubts, and you are always free to connect, you can always drop in a text, ma'am, this is a thing and all that. So whatever you feel doubt you have, you can make a list of it. If there is no emergency, but if you have doubt, then drop me a text or anything, then I'll be there.
Yes, ma'am.
Right. And second is the groups also, that you would have also already joined some groups on the Telegram, right?
Yes,
Like
ma'am.
Samachar Manthan or UAP group, which is there.
Ma'am, Samachar Manthan I have joined, but for the UAP, there is no such link. So I need to check
In
the
the email, yeah, on your portal only, there will be Telegram links to join this respective groups that you have.
Okay,
Apart
ma'am.
from that, I will be having my separate group where the official separate group where all the people who are preparing for 2026 will be there. right?
Okay, ma'am.
Right till now, I have not made a separate group for 2026 people. There is only for 25 people. So I will be
Okay,
making them. It will be like a common platform for you people also, for me also, to share any common information with all of you, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Because even if you are appearing for 2027, but still we would want to prepare in a holistic way. That at
Yes,
least
ma'am.
2026 we are done with the syllabus and the basic reading
Yes,
of
ma'am. Yes.
everything, right?
Ah.
So we need to prepare ourselves for 2026. We will be doing
Yes,
in that
ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
just so that we don't become complacent in our preparation, right?
Definitely, ma'am.
That is it. So
Mm.
I'll be making a separate group, and so that
Mm.
anything is there, any information is there, so you can put it in there, or you can
Yes, ma'am.
ask from any doubt. If you have some academic doubt, it is better to put it in the group so that
Mm.
your peers can also get help from it, or they can also respond, and you also get a peer group kind of feeling in
Yes,
that,
ma'am.
right?
Mm.
That is there. And the third pillar of this program is a test series.
Okay.
That you get a comprehensive test series.
Mm.
Test series covers the prelims, mains, and the essay test. So you have sectional tests, you have advanced test, you have full length test.
Yes,
That
ma'am.
so that is there. So and you have chapter wise test of standard books also,
Yes,
like
ma'am.
what are there, and you have NCRT's test also. So as I mentioned before, whatever we read, we will give test, and then only we'll move forward. That is
Yes,
the
ma'am.
point, because there is no point of just reading, and not seeing how it is going to help us, how it's
Yes.
going to how it is in link with or sync with the UPSC preparation,
Yes,
right? So test series is going to the major part, and that is what you need mentorship for also. Yeah, Kashi. Right. You can read things on your own.
Yes, ma'am.
Then you need help to analyze things that you are doing.
Okay, ma'am.
Right. So
Just a minute, ma'am. Excuse me. Just a minute. I need to settle. There is some network issues on my part.
Okay.
1 minute, ma'am. Yes,
Is it
ma'am.
okay?
Yeah, ma'am. Now fine.
Cool.
Yeah.
So test series is a major part of it, and I will be telling you when to give test, what to give, what syllabus will be coming in the test. Although we have a proper schedule, but then till May you will be getting an access to 25K test series, right? The
Okay,
people
ma'am.
who are there, and then from May onwards, since the new batch starts because new year start so you will be getting a new test series after prelims.
Okay,
Right?
ma'am.
Till that time, we will be attempting the test which is there on a portal from
Yes,
that
ma'am.
perspective. And the fourth pillar of this program, Kashwin, which is very important pillar also, a cornerstone of the preparation also, is the Samachar Manthan, right? So that is you would have already about the current affairs preparation, how infinite it is, and how
Yes,
to
ma'am.
strategize and organize things. So Samachar Manthan is a one-stop solution, I would say, for you. It's like it helps us in a multiple ways, right? So Samachar Manthan is a weekly program. It's a current affairs weekly program, classroom program it is. So on Saturday, Sunday, you get classes from whatever has happened in news or in current affairs from the UPSC preparation perspective, mains perspective especially, will be discussed in those two classes. Saturday, Sunday. At 11 a.m., you will be having a class where everything, whatever is important from mains perspective, will be discussed in detail, the issue based things which will be there, right? And then apart from that, you will get a PDF also for the same,
Yes,
right?
ma'am.
Whatever is there, whatever the topics that they've discussed in class, you will get a PDF one day before on the on in the group itself, Samachar Manthan group. And then you will be getting 5 questions to attempt for answer writing also on the basis of those topics that they have discussed, on the basis of the current affairs topics that have been in news, right?
Yes, ma'am.
5 questions answer writing, and then 20 to 25 questions MCQs also would be there.
Okay.
So and this is the best way to start writing answers also, because for GS I cannot ask you to start writing answers very very next day, because for that you need to have some content in your hand, right?
Yes,
With
ma'am.
very comprehensive. So that we will be doing first, we will be consolidating the content, and then simultaneously we'll start the GS ki answer writing. But then this is the best way to start writing answers, because you read a thing, you understand a thing, the topic, and then you write question also. So this is the beginning of our answer writing journey, right? Which is there. So, and apart from that, you will get the recordings also on your portal. If you're not able to watch the live lecture, then recording will be uploaded on your portal. So the test that you will be writing, I will be discussing the test with you. The test will be evaluated, and then I will be discussing the test. with you.
Yes, ma'am.
And then moving forward. So this is now how do we approach Samachar Manthan. So already you have PDF, you have classes going on. So it is better because since you already have static notes available with you, some of the static notes available,
Yes,
right?
ma'am.
So I would want, or I would suggest is that you make your own short notes from the classes
Yes,
better.
ma'am.
Because, for example, the topic like science and tech and IR environment, which is
Huh.
totally current oriented.
Yes,
So
ma'am.
we will be if we start making our own notes, we'll be able to cover the topics comprehensively on our own only. Right? We would not need a compilation later on because we would have made our own compilation. Because
Yes,
in
ma'am.
the topics in the current affairs, there are many topics which are repetitive in nature. Because it goes on for 1 week or 2 weeks or
Yes,
3 weeks
ma'am.
or 2 months also again it will be news, some law, if if it is introduced in the Lok Sabha, then it will be news. If it is passed in the Lok Sabha, then it is in news. If it is rejected, then it is in news. And if it goes for the president's, then it goes on for the months, right? So if you're making your own notes, then once too you would have made the basic structure of it.
Yes,
And then
ma'am.
next time you don't need to make a full notes. You just need to do the value addition. If
Yes, ma'am.
some amendment, some changes has been done to them. So in that way, at least science and tech and IR environment,
Yes, ma'am.
these notes, you make a separate folders of it.
Okay,
Right?
ma'am.
So that anytime if something is repeated, then we'll do it. We'll add. Same. With respect to polity, economy also, there are basic, majorly current oriented things are asked.
Yes,
But
ma'am.
then we need to cover the static also to understand the current dimension.
Yes, ma'am.
With the polity also. But of course, we will be doing static side by side. But here also, whatever the current topic, which is news, because and in the PDF also, they have mentioned the PYQs also from that topic. And they have done the PYQs mapping also. That okay, this topic is this topic is taken from this section of the syllabus. It is in and then this is how the questions have been asked from this topic. So
Yes,
that
ma'am.
you stay in sync with
Yes, ma'am.
the UPSC exam pattern. So you will be making your own short notes while watching the video, and then Saturday, Sunday you can watch live lecture, and then on next 5 days, what you can do, you can refer the same topic from the PDF itself and do the value addition from the PDF if you require. So that will be like a revision thing.
Yes,
एक
ma'am.
बार आपने Saturday, Sunday को देख लिया, and then next 5 days, 1.5 hour we need to devote to it on daily basis. तो आप कर
Yes.
सकते हैं. And
Yes,
for
ma'am.
the answer writing thing also, either you can start writing one answer daily, or you write 5 answers in a week.
Yes,
Right?
ma'am.
In one day. It's up to you. But I would say okay, start writing one question daily
Okay, ma'am.
in the beginning. Because it's answer writing is not a one-day thing, right?
Yes, ma'am.
It's a step-by-step process. Like it's a gradual thing. So we will be working on step-by-step thing. That okay, first you need to understand the demand of the question, right?
Yes.
And then the structuring, the presentation, the content, and then we'll come to the time management thing. The first you need to make yourself comfortable with the answer writing process. That is the sole purpose will be there for the next 1 or 2 months. So that by the time you become comfortable, then we will be able to start writing in GS also, PYQs also. है ना?
Yes,
Because
ma'am.
it's a step-by-step process, no? Just a minute. तो यहाँ से हम अपनी आंसर राइटिंग शुरू करेंगे. अभी this week, I think today is Saturday, 11 अभी क्लास हो जाएगी. आपका लाइव लिंक will be, I think the link will be live for next 24 hours. I think so. तो आप वो
Yes,
देख
ma'am.
सकते हैं if you get time. Otherwise, you can watch the recordings also. And then
Okay, ma'am.
next week you become consistent with it.
Yes, ma'am.
Next week, some consistently, एक week you try to understand the approach that they're following, and then from the next week we'll start writing answers.
Okay,
One
ma'am.
question,
हाँ.
right? Because see, UPSC और कुछ भी है, practice is very important.
Yes,
और
ma'am.
answer writing तो हम जितना करेंगे उतना better है. And
हाँ.
even though the practice in both the sense, prelims and mains both.
Yes,
जितना
ma'am.
हम comfortable हो जाए उतना better है. और ये तो अभी beginning है ना? There will be simple questions also, there will be थोड़ा complex questions also, but then at least you will start understanding how to break the question, how to make a
Yes, ma'am.
structure of it, how to understand the demand. So
Yes,
that
ma'am.
is how Samachar Manthan is helpful in multiple ways. First is the answer writing, second is the current affairs, and third is the note making also.
Yes, ma'am.
So you just need to be consistent with it, Kashi. For the next till the 2027 also, you need to be consistent with it. At least 5 questions weekly तो हम लिख ही रहे हैं ना, कुछ
Yes,
भी नहीं
ma'am.
कर रहे मिनिमम.
हाँ.
और वो अल्टीमेटली आपके खुद के नोट्स ही कलेक्ट हो जाएंगे. और तो फिर उसके बाद नेक्स्ट जब आपके पूरे नोट्स हो जाएंगे, फिर हम उसको वन पेजर या शॉर्ट करने के उसमें होंगे. एटलीस्ट पहले नोट्स तो बने कॉम्प्रिहेंसिव,
हाँ. Yes, ma'am.
फिर उसको हम 1 पेजर या 2 पेजर उसको कंसाइज करने में आएंगे. पहले
जी
तो
मैम।
एक जगह चीजों को लेके आना है,
हाँ
और
हाँ
फिर जब जैसे भी जो जो टॉपिक अगर हम द टॉपिक दैट यू हैव ऑलरेडी कवर्ड इन समाचार मंथन, इफ देन व्हेन वी विल बी कवरिंग द टॉपिक इन स्टैटिक, तो वी विल नॉट बी मेकिंग एनी सेपरेट नोट्स, हम उसी में ऐड ऑन कर देंगे
हम्म।
ना। तो
ओके
better
मैम।
if you are comfortable with like soft copy or any digital notes, then it is okay. If you're comfortable with making A4 sheet notes or anything, then that also okay. Anything which you feel comfortable with, you start making notes on that. But I would suggest कि अगर आपने physical form में बनाना है तो you make it on the A4, use A4 sheets.
Ma'am, I'm actually using A4 sheet. If you don't mind, I can show you to you. Means how do I make it?
हाँ, either you can send a pictures also to me, और अगर आपने अभी show करना है तो आप कर सकते हो.
Yes, ma'am. Now I can show to you. Ma'am, you can see here that some of the prelims facts I have made, that means whatever in newspaper, then
So are you collecting them on the basis of topic or the random on the basis of the
ma'am,
news of the day?
suppose today Saturday, means I haven't gone through the newspaper now. So after, means get over, or in the evening when I return from college, I go through the entire newspaper, and I go to the Telegram channels that ma'am, suppose any coaching that means in a concise manner all that news headlines come. So I go through that. So I see that whether I have missed some important topic from the newspaper or not. Accordingly, I make notes.
Okay. Then I think we would be like I think we would be saving our time here, because now you have Samachar Manthan also,
Yes,
right?
ma'am.
Everything will be covered there holistically, whatever topic is in news. And then you have, apart from that, on the monthly basis, you get Atomic Notes also.
Okay,
Atomic
ma'am.
Notes are the monthly magazine where all the prelims facts from the 4 weeks, from whatever the news are there, are compiled there. So you
Okay,
get a
ma'am.
compilation of prelims on monthly basis, and on weekly basis you have Samachar Manthan. Apart from that, monthly basis पे you get burning issues का magazine also. यहाँ पे all the topics, whatever topics in news, of course Samachar Manthan में everything would be covered, but then there would be, if there is some extra topic is also there, then all the topics would be covered from all the 4 papers perspective, comprehensive perspective.
Yes,
तो
ma'am.
आइडिया क्या हो कि ये टॉपिक GS1 के पर्सपेक्टिव से कहाँ कहाँ फिट हो सकता है, GS2 के पर्सपेक्टिव से कहाँ, GS3 के कहाँ, GS मतलब एक होलिस्टिक पर्सपेक्टिव देता है.
Yes, ma'am.
तो हमें, I would say, Kashvi, that no need to now, it's okay to read newspaper. It is very much okay. I would not say don't read. Read it, but do not give too much of time. Like 40, don't make notes from
Okay, ma'am.
newspaper. Why? Because you will get compilation. Multiple things are abundant. Resources are there, which will give, which is doing the thing for you,
Yes,
right?
ma'am.
You have
Ma'am,
institutes, you have resources which are already doing this part for you. You don't need to say waste your efforts. I would say read it, understand it. If you get some while making notes or anything, अगर आपको कुछ अच्छा कुछ data मिलता है with respect, no need to collect facts, because already facts collection का point चल रहा है.
yes, ma'am.
Best practices if you get, some good examples if you can get, वो आप कर सकते हो.
Yes,
वो
ma'am.
भी over the period of time जब आप मेंस के notes बनाओगे ना, then it will be helpful majorly, because then there आप you can mention some way forward, some initiatives government have done in this topic, and then some data collection data is there
Yes, ma'am.
that you can collect.
Hmm.
But ज़्यादा minute details में जाने की there is no need, because
Yes,
एक तो
ma'am.
आप attempt भी 2027 का दे रहे हो, so no need to put more focus on right now. Just read
Yes,
it,
ma'am.
be consistent with it. That's a good habit, because newspaper is not only for current affairs, it's for an overall development of
Yes, ma'am.
that. Keep consistent. Start your day with newspaper only. That's okay. But don't give too much of time to it.
Ma'am, how much time should I devote to the newspaper?
I think 1 hour for you, so it is like 50 to 45 to 50 minutes is okay.
Yes,
Because
ma'am.
you've been reading for the past 1 or 2 years. So now you know what
Yes,
to
ma'am.
read. I'm hoping that you already know what to read, what not to read, and what is important, what is the masala type news, and what is important from
Yes,
UPSC.
ma'am.
तो हमें पता है आपकी किस पे कितना emphasis करना है.
Yes, ma'am.
Now, if 45 to 50 minutes are more than enough. Scroll through.
Ma'am, the editorials page which I read means there are 4, 1, 2, and 3 and 4 in 2 pages, and the side news are also there. So 1, 2, 3, so there's 6 to 8 news covered in that 2 pages. Ma'am, that generally takes me 40 to 60 minutes to go through
But
the
then you don't need to
editorials.
read full all the editorials, no? Just see just see 2 to 3 editorials, the good editorials,
Yes,
which
ma'am.
are very in balanced nature. Because ultimately, what does editorial do? It helps you have to make a perspective. an
Yes, ma'am.
opinion about
Hmm.
things. तो वो अगर आप तो already you just making yourself comfortable with the news, you are getting yourself make an opinion, but then Samachar Manthan will help you at the end of the
Okay,
week, give you a wholesome perspective
Hmm.
of things, because ultimately यहाँ पे we are getting an opinion, we are trying to make an opinion, and Samachar Manthan will help you to cover that topic in a comprehensive manner, क्योंकि how the questions can be asked.
Hmm.
What is important is okay how the questions can be asked.
Yes, ma'am.
If we see ना,
Hmm.
तो just read it thoroughly, 2 to 3. I know even in out of 6 editorials, we know even 2 to 3 editorials are good to read.
Yes, ma'am. हाँ.
Good read. बाकी तो सब ऐसे ही होते हैं, and sometimes even 2 are not there. No. So
Yes,
it's a
ma'am.
mix of things. So 2 editorials are more than enough to get an idea about things, what is happening, and to get
Yes,
a good
ma'am.
understanding of things.
Yes,
Right?
ma'am.
Side wale sometimes they are very good, sometimes they are not.
Yes,
crap.
ma'am. हाँ.
तो we need to find out क्योंकि what is the balanced one. एक बार ऊपर से ही अगर आप देखोगे, even the title gives you a basic idea
Yes, ma'am. हाँ.
how it is arranged. है ना? तो that is enough. That's okay. So just give like maximum 1 hour, not more than that, and don't make notes out of it. We will be just because it will be too much of thing to consolidate at the end.
Yes, ma'am. हाँ.
So that also we have to see. We need to revise also things what we are collecting.
Yes, ma'am.
Mindful of thing क्योंकि we need to limit our resources and maximize our revision
Yes, ma'am.
that way, right? And the next thing is last pillar of this program is Dominate Prelims, which is a totally prelims oriented crash course. So it's the program that we launch when you approach the prelims. Like this is the people who are preparing for 2025, they are a part of this program, like Dominate Prelims. So there, it's a prelims crash course kind of thing. You have prelims test series, you have prelims classes going on, you have PYQs and discussion classes, and then you have the current affairs compilation classes also from the perspective of prelims. So
Yes.
that is not for you right now. We will discuss once we approach the time, right? That is
Yes.
there. This is all about the program, Kashvi,
हाँ.
right? Test series you will be getting on your portal. समाचार मंथन का आपको लिंक शेयर हो जाएगा समाचार मंथन के ग्रुप में, but then recordings will be uploaded on your portal after 2 to 3 days, right? Like around Wednesday, you can expect the recordings on your portal.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
So this is all about the program. Any doubt with respect to the program?
No, ma'am. No doubt regarding the program.
Now, with respect to the strategy, Kashi, that we will be following. So, as I told you, we will be following the step-by-step process. Even we will be covering in the first iteration, we have foundation base, and then we have ramp up, and we have the other thing, right? So, we'll be following the first. We will be focusing on the foundation, right? We have NCRTs, we have standard books, and then we will be coming to the mains के note making.
Yes, ma'am.
बिकॉज सो दैट आपका बेस पहले स्ट्रांग हो जाए, आप
जी.
अंडरस्टैंडिंग हो जाए, और हम फर्स्ट रीडिंग में हम मेंस की पीवाईक्यूज नहीं देखेंगे. वी विल बी
जी, ma'am.
मींस वंस वी आर डन विद द प्रीलिम, वंस वी आर डन विद द स्टैंडर्ड बुक्स, कि आपको पूरा सिलेबस का आइडिया हो चुका है,
हाँ
फिर
जी,
हम
मैम.
शुरू करेंगे. तो अभी हम एनसीईआरटी से फर्स्ट वी विल बी फोकसिंग मोर ऑन द कोर सब्जेक्ट्स, पॉलिटी, इकोनॉमी, ज्योग्राफी, हिस्ट्री. Initially polity and economy.
Yes, ma'am.
The core subjects forms the basis of the current affairs as well. So I need you to have a thorough understanding of these subjects.
Okay.
So for polity, we will be focusing on 2 NCRTs which are there. And one is annotated, another one is you can read it. And then you have economy also, annotated 1 NCRT you can read. First we will be covering 2 subjects, these one. Polity, NCRT हो गया, फिर हम इकोनॉमी का पढ़ेंगे.
Okay, ma'am. हाँ.
चलिए ये करके फिर हम स्टैंडर्ड बुक्स को शुरू करेंगे.
हाँ जी, मैम.
Now to help you with the NCRTs also, even if you need it or not, so I have asked the team to provide you the pre-foundation lectures for the NCRT lectures.
Yes,
तो
ma'am.
आप वैसे तो आप खुद से भी पढ़ के, I know you will get a clarity, but then
Yes, ma'am.
we will provide you the lectures. I have
हाँ जी.
asked the team to provide you on your portal. We will give you pre-foundation. The foundation students get those lectures. The people who have classroom program. तो वो pre-foundation मतलब जो NCRTs को cover कर रहा है lectures. So
Yes,
especially
ma'am.
for geography it is quite helpful.
हाँ.
And history also वो cover हो जाएगा. Basic idea आपका लग जाएगा.
हाँ.
तो हम पॉलिटी से शुरू करेंगे. 2 NCRTs are there, Kashvi.
Yes, ma'am.
Indian network and political theory. These
Yes,
2
ma'am.
NCRTs are important, and you have a test also. Once you're done with the NCRTs, we'll give the test also.
हाँ.
Indian Constitution Network आपके पोर्टल पे annotated है.
हाँ जी.
वो उसको PDF को डाउनलोड कर लो. And then in political theory का I think it's not available, so we can get it from the website.
Yes, ma'am.
and then if it is done, I'll ask the team, I'll share it with you individually.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. So this week का टारगेट हम यही रखते हैं कि हम एनसीईआरटीज को कवर करेंगे,
Yes,
साथ में
ma'am.
समाचार मंथन का क्लास आपने देखना है till we connect next. I think Saturday is the right day for us to connect. Shall we
Yes,
fix
ma'am.
this day?
Yes, ma'am. Saturday.
हाँ, तो सैटरडे को हम कनेक्ट करेंगे on daily basis.
Hmm.
ठीक है, तो हम पहले और in the 90 days, मतलब first 80 to 90 days, we'll try to cover the core subjects with the
Yes,
standard
ma'am.
book.
Yes, ma'am.
Polity, economy, geography, history. एक
हाँ
बार.
हाँ जी.
When I'm saying modern history, पहले. ठीक है, आर्ट एंड कल्चर का बाद में करेंगे. फिर we'll start the thing with the second iteration में, जब हम 3 महीने में second iteration में we'll start the things in a collectively like GS2, Political governance, social justice and IR. फिर हम ऐसे उठाएंगे. Then
Okay.
we'll cover GS4 and then we'll cover GS3 and then GS1. In that way, we will be covering.
Yes.
So we will be trying. अभी तो आपका तो already 2027 में है, but still I think December तक तो हो ही जाएगा चीजें.
हाँ जी मैम.
Even
हाँ.
the-
Yes,
Yeah.
ma'am.
Ultimately, you will be having some exams also in between, so that also you will get
Yes,
some
ma'am.
break.
हाँ.
तो वो हो जाएगा. बट अभी फर्स्ट फोकस ये रहेगा कि हम प्रीलिम्स का एज एन कि हम पहले तो स्टैंडर्ड बुक्स कवर करेंगे और उसमें उसके साथ साथ हम प्रीलिम्स के पीवाईक्यूज देखेंगे.
Okay, ma'am.
और आपको प्रीलिम्स के पीवाईक्यूज देखने का, यू डोंट नीड टू डू द एनालिसिस ऑन योर ओन आल्सो. यू हैव माइक्रो थीम्स done. You have the platform where all the micro themes have been arranged for you on the basis of the PYQs. Okay, from every topic there are certain micro themes on which the questions have been asked. We need to identify. We have already identified for you. I'll share with you I'll make the group and I'll share the portal link there, and you need to log in there, and whatever topic you read, एक बार पहले आपने ना स्टैंडर्ड बुक शुरू करने से पहले ही आपने गो थ्रू कर लेना है उसको, उस टॉपिक से. फॉर एग्जाम्पल पॉलिटी है, पॉलिटी को गो थ्रू कर लो कि ये टॉपिक्स में से, इसमें से ऐसे पीवाईक्यूज ये इंपॉर्टेंट है. ऑलरेडी वहां पे दे रखा है कि दिस इज द टॉपिक एंड दिस इज द थीम, फ्रॉम वेयर एक टॉपिक से भी सब थीम बना रखी है. लाइक फॉर एग्जाम्पल इवन द प्रियम्बल कि कैसे है, फंडामेंटल राइट से भी हाउ द क्वेश्चंस हैव बीन आस्क्ड, दैट व्हाइल रीडिंग यू विल पुट मोर एम्फेसिस ऑन इट, है ना. तो वो एनालिसिस व्हाट यू विल बी डूइंग, इट हैज ऑलरेडी बीन डन फॉर यू. With respect to prelims also, with respect to mains also, we have identified some themes where on those themes, so we need to make notes, we need to have notes, so that is done on the basis of PYQ analysis. So आपको अब सिर्फ पढ़ना है और everything is there ultimately.
Yes.
And validation का भी चीज ये है कि as you mentioned validation, so if you'll see Kashvi, there are type, like the validation can be done on the 3 levels, right? First is of course the PYQ. That is like a navigator, it's like a GPS for you. So whatever you read, you look at the PYQs and integrate all those things to our notes, to things that we read.
Yes, ma'am.
PYQs. Second is current affairs, which is the constant validation. वो एक दिन का
Yes,
काम
ma'am.
नहीं है, वो तो जैसे से हम न्यूज आएगा वो करते रहेंगे. And third thing is a test series. जो टेस्ट सीरीज से वैल्यूडेशन करते हैं कि ओके इस टॉपिक से ऐसे क्वेश्चन भी आ सकते हैं, या ये
जी.
डायमेंशन कैन बी आस्क्ड. सो दीज थिंग्स वी विल बी टेकिंग साइमल्टेनियसली. तो यहाँ पे यू आर गेटिंग ऑल दोस थिंग, यू आर गेटिंग PYQs analysis, that is there, you are getting current affairs, samachar manthan is there, and you are getting test series also. So everything is there, but we just need to be structured and we need to be consistent in the approach.
Yes, ma'am.
Nothing else matter, Kashvi, in this preparation apart from the consistency and sincerity.
Yes, ma'am, definitely.
Right? So this is what we need to stick to. So because it's not a small game, it's not a 2-3 months ka game. We
Yes,
need to be consistent in our efforts also. Aisa bhi, I will not say that okay, you give 10 to 12 hours or 13 hours now only, because for you it's a long hour now. If a person who's giving to prelims 2025 ka 5 or 2026, like 2025 के लिए you need to give 12 to 12. Of course, you can give to 12 hours also.
Yes, ma'am.
But abhi we need to be consistent. ना हम slowly and gradually will cover the syllabus.
Yes, ma'am.
Right. बाकी newspaper you keep on reading. समाचार मंथन you need to be very much consistent with. कुछ भी हो जाए 5 questions लिखने हैं. 5
Yes,
questions. Anyhow, 5 questions is nothing.
Yes,
अगर
ma'am.
see. Now that जो topic आपने already पढ़ लिए हैं.
हाँ जी, मैम.
अगर फिर भी कुछ एक्स्ट्रा लगता है कि नहीं समझ आ रहा है, then you can always Google or ask your mentor. ठीक है. So this is all about the call, Kashvi. I hope any doubt with respect to whatever we have discussed so far. तो फिर वो मुझे बताओ how.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, that for the next coming week, we will be taking polity as a subject. So the
Hmm.
target would be to complete both the NCRTs.
This week, the target would be the completing both the NCRTs.
Yes, ma'am.
There will be annotated one. एक तो इंडियन कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन एट वर्क मैंने बोला कि वो ऑलरेडी annotated है, ऑलरेडी आपके पोर्टल पे है. And then political theory, I'll ask. If it is not, then we'll have to do it. Or we, of course, now you have.
Yes, ma'am. Political theory, the NCRT I have now. So I will
Okay.
go through both the Indian Constitution and Work and political theory book, ma'am, for this coming week, ma'am. Then on after that, after
We
completing,
will be covering the economy के NCRTs एक बार. Basics हमारे दोनों subjects के हो जाएगा. फिर we'll be covering with the Lakshmikant, the
okay, ma'am.
polity standard book.
Ma'am, then these two books test when I will be having this Saturday
Once
only.
you're done with, once you're done with, I would say not Saturday, but once you're having, once you have covered the syllabus, like
Okay,
polity,
ma'am.
कॉन्स्टिट्यूशनल वर्क पढ़ लिया आपने, तो फिर वो आप साथ में ही कर लो, उसके साथ में दे दो
Okay.
टेस्ट. ऑलरेडी ऑन ए पोर्टल, इट इज ऑन ए पोर्टल.
Okay, ma'am.
वो हो जाएगा. फिर हम करके एंड देन बाय सैटरडे जब हम कनेक्ट करेंगे तो वो दोनों टेस्ट दे दिए होंगे आपने, आई वुड एक्सपेक्ट.
Okay, ma'am. Yes. Ma'am, and another thing, ma'am, how much time should I devote? Because when it comes to the hard work part, I'm okay. I go to the college, ma'am, generally at 8 o'clock. And I try to come by 2 o'clock. So by evening 4 to 5, we can say by evening 5 o'clock, I'm free. So there are some days when I sit in the morning 6, in the evening 6 to the morning 6 o'clock. So there are some days also like that. So you tell me that you suggest me that how much
As
time.
of now, things will be more systematic because now you have targets in your mind to complete.
Yes,
ना
ma'am.
अभी तो फिर भी NCRTs है, but then we will be having a very structured targets कि okay ये इतना घंटे का लिखना है या इतने इतने chapters हमने complete करने हैं. So of course you'll have to cover. Now with respect to अगर if you ask me at this level in a consistent manner, even if you devote 6 to 7 hours daily, 7 then also it is sustainable.
Okay, ma'am.
Considering you are giving attempt in 2027, because I don't want you to feel pressured or overwhelmed with this respect. So 6 to 7 hours is a very qualitative time because that will be productive, not the wasteful time. So 1 to 1.5 hour, मैं weekdays की बात कर रही हूँ, not the weekend की बात कर
Yes,
रही
ma'am.
हूँ.
Yes, ma'am.
Weekdays पे we are having 1.5 hour we can devote to current affairs, समाचार
Yes, ma'am.
मंथन, which is there. 3 to 4 hours you have your GS. अब with respect to optional, मुझे वो बताओ कि how much you have covered. Are you taking optional right now only with you, the coaching or any preparation, or you will be taking afterwards?
Ma'am, the optional I have gone through the basic books in the online manner. So not just gone through the content. So if I will say you, I haven't started my optional at all.
Sure that you will be covering the things that you will be able to like you want to go with the sociology only. Are you sure with respect to that?
Yes, ma'am, I'm sure with sociology.
But then then it's okay. Okay, then we can take some time also with respect to that, no?
Okay, ma'am, but I haven't started sociology at all.
It's okay. See, we have things to give in 2027 to Kashmir. So you need initially we need 4 months to cover things.
Yes, ma'am.
Right? And then we need 4 months, and then we need 4 months to revise also. Ultimately, first reading would take 4 months to cover.
Yes, ma'am.
Right? That would be required. Rest though we will be covering. Abhi let's focus on GS. ऐसा करते हैं. Let's do one thing, but let's do our foundation part once.
Yes, ma'am.
Once the foundation is covered, after 3 months, because then we will be covering sociology, and then we will be thinking, okay, what if we need to take a coaching side by side, or
Okay,
if we
ma'am.
need to do it on our own also. By that time, we can just see, or we can cover the NCRTs for sociology, which are
Yes,
there.
ma'am.
Whatever the extra time we get, and some Nitin Sangwan book is there, the basic book which is there. अब हम वो basic reading शुरू कर देते हैं साथ
हाँ
साथ.
जी मैम. हाँ.
तब फिर बेसिक एक बार आपको अंडरस्टैंडिंग हो जाएगी, फिर हम आगे हम विल डिसाइड फॉर आवरसेल्फ. राइट नाउ अभी यही करते हैं. Because abhi, even sociology also, of course, you need a thorough understanding. It's a
Yes, ma'am.
subject as a highly competitive subject right now. But अभी के लिए आप NCRTs करो पहले इसका, और फिर हम उसका वो कवर करेंगे.
Yes,
Then
ma'am.
cover the Nitin Sangwan, फिर हम will think of the coaching
Yes,
or
ma'am.
the structured way.
Ma'am, first the target should be I would be completely thorough with the basics.
Basics, yes.
For the next 3 months.
For the next 3 months, yeah.
Yes,
Basics along with the prelims PYQs. we'll be
Okay,
doing.
ma'am.
That will help you to have a strong basics also.
Yes, ma'am.
तो फिर उसके बाद we will be picking up the mains वाला portion.
Okay, ma'am.
That's how we'll be doing. Because with optional, if you'll start right now only, तो it will be quite hectic. Because
Yes,
optional
ma'am.
के लिए भी हमें थोड़ा सा एक प्लान बनाना पड़ेगा.
हाँ
तो
जी,
पहले
ma'am.
अभी एक दो सब्जेक्ट्स कर लेते हैं अच्छे
Hmm.
से, and then once you get into the momentum, and then we'll start with the optional as well.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, one more suggestion I need from you, ma'am. How I will break my entire day? Means how I will schedule my entire.
As I told you, no, so it's up to you. If you are a morning person, then 2 hours so you can take from morning also. Like,
Hmm.
for example, let's say whatever you have read in a firstly, to just keep it a routine also, that before you go to sleep, you revise whatever you have covered in a day, especially from
Okay,
the
ma'am.
GS point of view, right?
Hmm.
For example, अगर NCRTs पढ़ी है तो आप साथ साथ में अगर आपने PYQs देखे तो रात को देख लो, क्योंकि मैंने
Hmm.
ये टॉपिक से PYQs कैसे आ रखे हैं.
Hmm.
That. So if you are like at 5 you sit first to study, right, in the evening, then 5 to 7 of course you will be able to give
हाँ.
2 hours, and after dinner then 9 to 11 you can give another 2 hours.
Hmm.
2 hours, तो 4 hours हमें यही हो गए. 2
Yes, ma'am.
घंटा हम मॉर्निंग में निकाल सकते हैं if you go at 8, like around, then 6 o'clock, because अभी now in the summers you can wake up at like 5:30 or 6, because since the people who are going to college, people who are working professional, they need to take some time in the morning itself, because rest of the day we don't know how it goes. It
Yes,
depends
ma'am.
on multiple factors,
Hmm.
है ना? So
Ma'am,
it
I
is
can, ma'am, I means I will like to share with you that if I will tell you that when I go to sleep and wake up, most probably I sleep by 11, and I'm a little bit of morning person, so I wake up at 3 o'clock. Means we can
okay.
say
And
most
then
of.
too we can keep our, see, if you wake up or if you get up at 3 o'clock, then it is better to shift your GS in the morning, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Why? Because that you will be more fresh. You will
Hmm.
be more concentrated with your efforts at
Hmm.
that in the morning. Then we can keep the current affairs वाला part in the evening, 2
हाँ.
hours.
Yes, ma'am. हाँ.
और फिर सोने से पहले आपने जो सुबह GS में पढ़ा है वो आप रिवाइज कर लो 15 मिनट, 30 minutes or
Okay,
15
ma'am. As soon as I get up, means 3 o'clock. So my target would be 3 to 6. I would devote for GS.
GS, whatever you're
Yes.
ready.
Yes, ma'am. Because ma'am, from 6 to 7:30, I do exercise and all.
हाँ,
So
that's very important. ठीक है.
yes, ma'am. Ma'am, 3 to 6 would be my GS, and that 6:30 to 8 o'clock, I working and all. So that is my exercise part. Ma'am, at 8 o'clock, I leave from my house. And 8 to completely 2 o'clock, it's in the college. So I'm back home at 2:30. So after coming back from 2:30, I generally sleep for 1 to 2 hours, and I get up at 5 o'clock, ma'am. So from 5 o'clock, what should I do? Means after
5
coming.
o'clock you can just again start with the with 1 hour you give to the GS, or
Yes,
you can give to your optional 1 hour.
हाँ.
The basic reading NCRTs that we were talking about, or the standard books that we're talking about to make momentum. ठीक है? उसके बाद you can give 2 hours to current affairs,
Yes, ma'am.
समाचार मंथन, right?
हाँ.
Again take a break, 9 o'clock again, till 9 o'clock you have a dinner and everything going on and all that. 9:30 you again sit for study. 9:30 to 11 you can do the GS part, even the revision or the thing that you, because something to you must be doing for college also.
Yes, ma'am. हाँ.
So that we
So
can
for
cover.
after college, I give two means 1 to 2 hours to college work. So I complete the study part on that day itself. So
Yeah, that we
हाँ.
can do. हाँ, तो फिर
हाँ.
वो 5 o'clock वाला वही टाइम हो जाएगा ना, ऐसे करके, because 5 फिर उसके में आप जब जैसे उठ रहे हो, either you can balance this thing optional in that, or and then, but see, it's just the first week. Once you're done with एक subject, no, then we will be covering the revision also. So you can keep that revision wala period also in that one.
Yes,
For
ma'am.
example, once you're done with polity, when we'll start with economy, so we will be keeping revision 15 to 30 minutes for revision also of polity. So that also we need to accommodate somehow in that.
Ma'am, another thing, ma'am, can we just shift my optional subject to some later part? Because I think now it will be much more hectic. So if I give one.
You shift it to, it's okay. Let's cover the basic 2 books first, and then we can
Yes,
do
ma'am.
the optional part.
Optional, yes, ma'am.
But मैं आपको इसलिए बोल रही हूँ, you can start with the optional, with the basic reading of the NCRTs and all. After 1 or 2 months, we can start with that, because your
Yes, ma'am.
optional is, तो society के NCRT से we can read, which is there,
Yes,
and
ma'am.
then you can cover the basic standard book, and then we can start with the coaching if it, because once you start the coaching, it becomes more hectic.
Mm-hmm. Yes, ma'am.
है ना? Let's stick to that. अभी
Hmm.
GS को ही करते हैं, and then
Hmm.
initially see ये timetable तो keep on changing with the
Mm-hmm.
syllabus, with the target that you get.
Hmm.
That, but then you have proper, at least, okay, in the morning you can devote 3 hours, give it to
To
GS.
GS, huh?
And
Yes,
afternoon
ma'am.
you give it to the current affairs, and then in the evening, at night also you give it to GS
Yes, ma'am.
with the revision or whatever, you can do some extra part.
Yes,
Right?
ma'am.
Cover.
Yes,
All
ma'am.
right.
Yes, ma'am.
Great. Okay, Kashvi, then. So this is, I think, all for the call that we have.
Yes, ma'am. Thank
All
you
the
very
very
much,
best.
ma'am.
That is my duty, but then you just need to be consistent and sincere, as I
Yes,
mentioned earlier also, right? Any doubt, anything is there, just let me know. All
yes,
right,
ma'am.
Kashvi? I'm always there for you.
Ma'am,
And
and one thing I'd like to say that, ma'am, I hope that means together you and me will make this journey a successful.
definitely, I can see the spark in you, and I
Yes,
can see that's what I'm emphasizing more on, that just be consistent.
yes, ma'am.
It is very difficult. The perseverance and consistency is the thing that we require. Rest everything you have in you.
Yes,
We
ma'am.
just need to be consistent, and perseverance is the major attribute that you need to have, and the sincerity with the
Yes.
efforts that you put in is there. Rest everything is there. Everyone is there to help you. All the resources are there to help you. That.
Yes, ma'am.
So that's what we need to focus on, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Otherwise, also, even in the consistency, also, you don't need to worry. We are there. I'm there to push you to be
Yes, ma'am.
accountable, to be consistent.
Yes,
So,
ma'am.
but you need to respond for that.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Definitely, ma'am.
है ना? Chalo, great. Where are you from, Kashvi?
I'm from Odisha, ma'am, Bhubaneswar.
Okay, great. I have many students from Odisha.
Yes, ma'am.
Some are already in the state PCS. So,
Okay,
in the
ma'am.
Odisha state PCS.
Yes, ma'am.
So, that is
Ma'am,
there.
AIR 2 Animesh Pradhan was also from Odisha.
Also from Odisha. So there are two students of mine who's already into services, state propitious. I think
Yes, ma'am.
she's posting it as DM in the Kota district, I think.
Yes, ma'am.
So all are there preparing for that. So great.
Yes.
All
Yes,
right,
ma'am.
Kashi, then.
Thank
All
you
the
very
very
much, ma'am.
best.
Thank you.
Okay.
Yes,
Have a
ma'am.
good day.
Thank you,
All
ma'am.
the best.